Alright guys, so here's how to fix camera not working in Windows 11 laptop. So let's get started. First of all, let me just mention you that if you haven't turned on the camera, just simply press F10. I just remind you guys that you haven't pressed the F10 button, which is actually for the laptops to turn on the camera itself. So sometimes it will work for you. So if this works, then you don't need to watch the full video, you can skip it. But if this doesn't work for you, all you're gonna do is simply go to the settings. All right, then from here on the left side you need to go to the privacy and security, then scroll it down and you need to go with the camera option, and you probably see the camera access is turned on, so you will get the access. But sometimes you can see that the camera access is actually turned off, so you cannot open the camera. So to turn on the camera, you need to get the access to the different application, like the camera application itself. Sometimes it's WhatsApp and like that thing. All right, so you need to give the permission to some of the application itself to get the camera turned on. So there you have it. But if you don't get the camera issue solved, then one step you can do that is to go to the device manager by searching on it and simply turn on. All right, so there you go. So from here you need to select the camera. There is the camera, you can select that one, and from here you need to select the camera name and right click on it and simply uninstall device. All right, so after installing this device, you can simply tap on the action and simply tap on the scan for hardware changes. It will scan it and update your camera drivers, and simply restart your PC and you will be good to go. So that's how you can simply fix the camera issue of not working in Windows 11 laptop. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you pretty next time.